Hello. Today I will show you the installation about Tavalug lighting. When you receive Tavalug lighting, it will be like that. We have inside already all installation about LED. Okay. First step, you need to take the size or pipes, how long it will be. Our pipes, it will arrive always longer of normal. All you need, we have here, almost everything what we need. First step, we cut our pipes. Here I just give you one example. I will cut some centimeter. With this machine, it's very easy to make powder. You can buy smaller one. It's all over the world. It's cheap one, but normally electrician 100% will have it. Okay. After we cut, After we cut pipes, okay. After we cut pipes, we make hole for our holder. Yes. Other part already you have hole. Hole. Okay. This case I use 4.5. You can use also 3.5. We clean little bit inside. Try to make hole straight. Yes, from one part to other part. Next step, okay, we put our cable inside of pipes. Okay. After we put our pipes, we have this holder you will find already inside. Okay, like that, in the middle. Then I recommend always, today I will do it first time, but I recommend always to do 2 person. We check if everything's straight. Okay, come here. Now my assistant will keep me the lighting. Okay, we have this holder, and the holder, wait 1 second. Keep like that. Like that you can understand. We put some tape here, paper, like that. Okay. This paper is just provisory to help us to keep holder, don't slip down the hard the lighting. Okay. And the driver, our LED is 24 volt. Always I send technical detail about LED, or I send together with driver. Then first move, we need connect driver with our electricity, put on the ceiling or in the electrician panel. It's case by case. And after we have there, we just need connect the driver to our lamp after we put on the ceiling or inside of panel. Okay. Next move, we have here old screw. Okay, and this holder. The holder, it will be here. Okay. This one is our safe link. We put on the middle, put on the right position here. It will be like that on the ceiling. Then now we go on the ceiling. Okay. 1 second, just 1 second. I I need to make some hole. Wait 1 second. Okay. We make hole where normally our electricity cable suppose come from here, yeah? Okay, then go there, please. We take first we put some provisory screw, yes? In this case, our ceiling here, it's rigids. Keep 1 second. Okay, it's rigids with wood. Okay, then we just push inside and we put our provisory screw. Okay. Okay. Good. Then now, after we put driver on the ceiling, okay, we can take off this plastic, this tape. Okay. And next step, we take our screw. Okay. Our brass screw. Okay. Then we slowly, okay, take off one by one. Okay, we take off one by one and put by hand, not with machine. I recommend always to put by hand. Keep 1 second this one. Okay. Then we go in to put our brass screw. Okay. Okay, and we take off another one. Okay, and okay. The last one. Okay, and clean with some Swiffer, Then that's it, our lamp. Take one big close. It's very, very easy. Yeah. I don't know how many minutes, but I think 10 minutes, it's everything. Okay, thank you.